Hello, Chris Greene here with the Flood Insurance Guru. Today we're talking about how to find the flood zone on a property when you don't have a property disclosure on a property. So we talk to a lot of realtors every day that says, hey, I wish I would have known this property was in a flood zone until a week before closing because there wasn't a property disclosure. The property was sold as is. So, how do I find this information? Well, we're going to show you some ways today of how you can find this information. So let's talk about this. How can you find out what flood zone a property is in if you don't have a property disclosure? Maybe it's not listed on the multiple listing source in your state. Well, there's several ways. First thing you can do is you can reach out to a lender who can run what's called a flood zone determination. And this is basically if a mortgage is being done, the form they have to run to verify what flood zone it's in. You can also go to the FEMA website and determine what flood zone it's in. You can also check out our flood risk tool below and see what flood zone you're in, how far above water you are, is flood insurance required, what is the estimated premium. You could possibly even use an appraisal. Many times on an appraisal will list what flood zone a property is in. So these are some different ways of finding out what flood zone a property is in when there's not a property disclosure. So if you've got questions about understanding what flood zone this property is in, what are your flood insurance options? Can you change that flood zone? Click below to visit our website, floodinsuranceguru.com. 3 simple steps. Step 1, fill out the form. Step 2, receive customized flood insurance proposals from us. And step 3, pick a plan that best fits your needs. Thank you.